welcome back to my channel.
Hi and welcome back to my channel. My name is Carmen and my channel focuses on fashion, beauty, lifestyle, and luxury. And if you like any of those things, please make sure you subscribe to my channel. I upload twice a week, Tuesdays and Thursdays, and sometimes I will put out a bonus video. So make sure you hit that notification bell because you do not want to miss one of my extra uploads. So without further ado, we are going to get into this. Hello, we have a luxury unboxing. I was like, what are we doing today? Today, I am sharing with you a luxury unboxing. If you like luxury items, then please keep watching. I received this Neiman Marcus promotional gift card and it expires on the 11th of this month. So I decided it's time for me to use it before it expires. We don't want this to go to waste. We want to use it. It was valued at $75 and I thought, why not? If they're giving me $75, let me tack on additional $100 and buy me a luxury item. So today, that is what I am bringing to you. My luxury mini haul. It arrived, I think it arrived yesterday. Oh my God, yeah. It arrived yesterday. I decided to plug up the camera and videotape it right now before I procrastinate. Yeah. So let's get the box and let's unbox this mini luxury haul. Here is the box. Yep, here is the box. I got my trusty dusty box cutter. We're gonna open it up. That's how it comes. Has a rubber band around the box. Keep it all in together. And yes, it says a Versace. This is a mini luxury haul from Versace. This is also my first Versace purchase. I've never purchased anything from Versace and this is my first one, and so I decided let's start small and let's start with this box right here. What's inside the box? You know what's inside the box. So like I stated, I received this promotional gift card in the mail and it is valued at $75. So I put this gift card toward this purchase. What's falling out? This little Versace envelope. You have one dust bag. Inside are my pool slides. I thought this would be great. It's a great vibrant color, great for the summer with the gold detailing. And then sometimes you just don't even have to wear it, you know, at the pool. You can just wear it around the house. And so that's all that's in the box. Here is the information. It says Pool Slide Gamma by Versace. And I picked them up in a size 39. And these are retail priced for $395. I love the color. And then I love the gold accent. So I think this is so cute. Then it has the detailing on each side. It's not just plain. It does have etched out detailing across the top of the foot. And then of course the Versace logo right here in gold. It says Versace at the back of the heel. Then you also have the detailing on the bottom of the slide. So I really love this pink color. I said that already, I know. But I really do. And I'm not a pink girl. I am not a pink girl. So for me to purchase pink, it's just like, oh, what's really going on? But here they are. I think they're so cute. Just, you know, slide around, whether you're walking around in your home and you want to put some shoes on because yes, I'm that type of girl. I don't like to walk around with no shoes on. I like to have something on my feet, whether it be house slippers or now the pool slides. And then you can use them to go to the beach, or you can use them to go to, you know, little recreational pool or outside in your backyard. Wherever you have a pool, you can take these and use these. Oh, I just love this. I love them. A lot of brands carry pool slides, and I just decided to pick them up from Versace. So I truly love them. The two other colors that they come in are black, and then the other one is white. So you have a choice of 3 colors with the pool slides from Versace, and that's black, white, and pink. And I picked up the pink ones. I truly love them. Oh, I just love them. Smooth inside. Then it has like a little padding for your foot to go down in, and then it comes up. Just kind of molds to the shape of your foot. Now I do not have to, you know, I don't have to steal anybody's slides when I want to go to the pool. No, no. Or walk around the house. Yes, yes. I will still, never mind. Anyway, that was it for my luxury mini haul. Comment below if you liked the pair of Versace's that I picked up. If you have a pair, let me know. Let me know what you think about it. This is my first purchase. Comment below, what was your first purchase of Versace? I am on a road to 1,000 subscribers. If you like luxury hauls, because I love sharing luxury hauls with you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Until the next time, stay classy, stay confident. My name is Carmen, and I hope to see you, yes you, in my next video. Bye-bye. 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 Bye-bye.